The rigid structure of a standard calendar invite is completely dismantled. The raw data is fractured into constituent nodes. The title, the date, and the metadata are separated out. These independent data points are then routed and stored inside DynamoDB and S3 environments to ensure they remain isolated and highly flexible. Here is where the tracking becomes possible. During disassembly, every unique user iteration is assigned a persistent sticky UID. When distributing the event, REST APIs query that specific sticky UID, instructing the backend to pull up-to-date data points out of storage. The queried data is reconstructed dynamically, packaged, and pushed through the API gateway. By disassembling data and tagging it with that UID, we've transformed the event from a stagnant offline file into an agile, highly trackable network query. With the backend database mechanics established, the data is ready for front-end deployment through the centralized marketing hub. The hub takes that highly structured backend data and feeds it outward into 3 very distinct distribution channels.